Welcome to the digital age. The world has gone digital. From shopping to socializing, almost everything happens online. Businesses need to adapt. They need to be where their customers are. That's where digital marketing comes in. It's the key to unlocking growth and success in today's world. Digital marketing is more than just having a website. It's about connecting with your audience where they are. It's about engaging them with valuable content. And it's about building relationships that last. Think about it. People are bombarded with information every day. To stand out, you need to grab their attention. You need to create something that resonates. That's where InVideo.ai comes in. It's a powerful tool that can take your digital marketing to the next level. Let's talk about the power of video. Video is king in the digital world. Why? Because it's engaging, it's memorable, and it's shareable. People are more likely to watch a video than read a block of text. They're more likely to remember a message conveyed visually, and they're more likely to share a video that resonates with them. But creating high-quality videos can be time-consuming and expensive, or is it? InVideo.ai makes video creation easy and affordable for everyone. No matter your budget or technical skills, you can create professional-looking videos that captivate your audience. Now let's delve into InVideo.ai, your secret weapon. InVideo.ai is more than just a video editing tool. It's your secret weapon to unlocking digital marketing success. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, InVideo.ai empowers you to create stunning videos that drive results. Imagine creating engaging social media videos that stop scrollers in their tracks. Picture crafting compelling marketing videos that convert viewers into customers. With InVideo.ai, you can do all of this and more without breaking the bank or spending countless hours on complex software. Before you dive headfirst into the world of digital marketing, it's crucial to lay a solid foundation. This means understanding your niche and identifying your target audience. It's about knowing who you're talking to and what they care about. Think of your niche as your area of expertise. It's the specific market you want to serve. Are you passionate about fitness? Maybe you're a whiz at financial planning. Whatever it is, your niche is where your passion meets the market's needs. Identifying your target audience is equally important. These are the people you want to reach with your message. They're the ones who are most likely to be interested in your products or services. Section 2, know your audience. To effectively reach your target audience, you need to understand them inside and out. What are their demographics? What are their interests? What are their pain points? Fortunately, there are tools and strategies to help you gather this valuable information. Market research is your best friend. Use tools like Google Trends, SEMrush, and social media analytics to gain insights into your target audience's behavior and preferences. Remember, the more you know about your audience, the better you can tailor your message to resonate with them. It's about speaking their language and addressing their specific needs. Section 3, defining your goals. Once you have a clear understanding of your niche and target audience, it's time to define your goals. What do you want to achieve with your digital marketing efforts? Do you want to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, generate leads, boost sales? Whatever your goals, make sure they're clear, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Having well-defined goals will give you direction and help you track your progress. It's about setting yourself up for success and knowing what you're working towards. Section 1, unleashing InVideo.ai. Now that you've laid a solid foundation, it's time to unleash the power of InVideo.ai. This intuitive platform simplifies video creation, empowering you to craft engaging content that captivates your audience and elevates your digital marketing game. Don't let the idea of video creation intimidate you. InVideo.ai's user-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone, regardless of their technical skills, to produce professional-looking videos. Think of InVideo.ai as your creative command center, equipped with all the tools you need to bring your video marketing visions to life. From eye-catching templates to a vast library of stock footage and music, InVideo.ai has you covered. Section 2, Templates, your creative springboard. One of the most remarkable features of InVideo.ai is its extensive library of professionally designed templates. These templates provide a creative springboard for your videos, saving you time and effort while ensuring a polished and visually appealing final product. Whether you're creating a promotional video for your latest product, an engaging social media post, or an informative explainer video, InVideo.ai offers a template to suit your needs. Browse through the diverse selection, choose the one that aligns with your vision, and you're well on your way to creating a captivating video. These templates are not just visually appealing, they're also strategically structured to maximize engagement and deliver your message effectively. Think of them as pre-built frameworks designed to captivate your audience and drive results. Section 3. Customization, making it your own. While InVideo.ai's templates provide a fantastic starting point, the platform's true power lies in its customization options. InVideo.ai empowers you to transform these templates into unique creations that reflect your brand's personality and resonate with your target audience. Add your logo, choose your brand colors, and incorporate your unique messaging. Experiment with different fonts, transitions, and visual effects to create a video that's uniquely yours. The possibilities are endless. Remember, your video should be an extension of your brand. It should capture your brand's essence and communicate your message in a way that's both engaging and memorable. InVideo.ai's customization options give you the creative freedom to make this happen. Section 1. Social media domination. Social media is where your audience lives. It's where they connect, share, and consume content. To succeed in the digital age, you need a strong social media presence. You need to be actively engaging with your target audience where they are, but it's not enough to just post randomly. You need a strategy, a social media growth strategy that aligns with your overall digital marketing goals, and InVideo.ai can be your secret weapon in conquering the social media landscape. Think about it. People are bombarded with content on social media every day. To stand out, you need to capture their attention. You need to create something that's visually appealing, engaging, and shareable. Section 2. Content is king, video is queen. In the world of social media, content is king, but video is queen. Why? Because video reigns supreme when it comes to capturing attention and driving engagement. Think about your own social media scrolling habits. Are you more likely to stop for a captivating video or a wall of text? The answer is clear: video wins every time. InVideo.ai makes it easy to create scroll-stopping videos that captivate your social media audience. From eye-catching templates to a vast library of stock footage and music, InVideo.ai empowers you to create professional-looking videos that elevate your social media game. Section 3. Data-driven growth. In the ever-evolving world of digital marketing, data is your compass. It guides your decisions, helps you understand what's working, and reveals areas for improvement. The beauty of social media is that it provides a wealth of data. By analyzing this data, you can gain valuable insights into your audience's behavior, preferences, and engagement patterns. This data-driven approach is essential for refining your social media strategy and maximizing your results. Don't be intimidated by the word data. Most social media platforms offer user-friendly analytics dashboards that provide a clear overview of your performance. Take the time to familiarize yourself with these dashboards and track key metrics such as reach, engagement, and website clicks. Section 1. The ever-changing landscape. Digital marketing is not a static field. It's a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape, constantly shaped by emerging technologies, shifting consumer behaviors, and new platform features. What works today might not work tomorrow. Think of digital marketing as a flowing river, constantly carving new paths and presenting new challenges. To navigate this dynamic environment successfully, you need to be adaptable, open to learning, and always willing to experiment. The key is to embrace change as an opportunity for growth. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone, try new things, and continuously refine your strategies based on the latest trends and insights. Section 2, Staying Ahead of the Curve. So, how do you stay ahead of the curve in this fast-paced world of digital marketing? It starts with a commitment to continuous learning. Make it a habit to stay informed about the latest trends, algorithm updates, and industry best practices. Fortunately, there are countless resources available to help you stay up to date. Subscribe to industry blogs, listen to marketing podcasts, attend webinars, and follow thought leaders on social media. The key is to be a sponge, constantly absorbing new information and insights. Remember, knowledge is power. By staying informed, you'll be better equipped to adapt your strategies, capitalize on new opportunities, and stay ahead of your competition. Section 3, Evolving with InVideo.ai. The beauty of InVideo.ai is that it's designed to evolve with the ever-changing digital marketing landscape. The platform is constantly updated with new features, templates, and tools to help you stay ahead of the game. Think of InVideo.ai as your trusted co-pilot on your digital marketing journey, always there to provide the latest and greatest tools and resources to help you succeed. The platform's commitment to innovation ensures that you'll always have access to cutting-edge video creation capabilities. Make it a habit to explore InVideo.ai's new features and updates, experiment with different tools, try out new templates, and discover innovative ways to enhance your videos. By embracing the platform's evolution, you'll ensure that your digital marketing efforts remain fresh, engaging, and effective. Section 1, Embrace the digital revolution. The digital age is here, and it's not going anywhere. It's time to embrace the power of digital marketing and unlock unprecedented opportunities for your business. Gone are the days of traditional advertising where reaching your target audience felt like a shot in the dark. Today, we have the power to connect with consumers directly, engage with them on a personal level, and build lasting relationships that translate into tangible results. This is the era of video, a medium so captivating, so immersive that it has become the undisputed king of content. Video has the power to grab attention, evoke emotions, and leave a lasting impression in a way that no other medium can match. It's no surprise that video marketing is one of the most effective strategies for businesses of all sizes. Section 2, Your journey starts today. The beauty of digital marketing is that it's accessible to everyone. You don't need a huge budget or a team of experts to get started. All you need is the right mindset, a willingness to learn, and the right tools at your fingertips. That's where InVideo.ai comes in, empowering you to harness the power of video and unlock your full digital marketing potential. Imagine creating stunning marketing videos that captivate your audience, social media posts that stop scrollers in their tracks, and engaging content that leaves a lasting impression. With InVideo.ai, this vision becomes a reality. No more struggling with complicated software or breaking the bank on expensive video production. InVideo.ai puts the power of professional video creation in your hands with an intuitive interface, a vast library of templates, and all the tools you need to bring your creative vision to life. It's time to stop watching from the sidelines and start creating videos that elevate your brand and drive results. Section 3, Unlock your full potential. Remember, digital marketing is a journey, not a destination. The landscape is constantly evolving, with new trends emerging and consumer behaviors shifting. That's why it's crucial to stay curious, embrace continuous learning, and never stop experimenting. The key to success lies in adapting your strategies, refining your approach, and always striving for improvement. Data becomes your compass, guiding your decisions and providing valuable insights into what resonates with your audience. By analyzing your performance, you gain the knowledge to optimize your campaigns, maximize your reach, and achieve your business goals. As you delve deeper into the world of digital marketing, you'll discover a passionate community of like-minded individuals eager to share their knowledge and support your growth. Embrace this community, connect with fellow marketers, and never hesitate to seek guidance and inspiration from those who have already navigated the path to success.